From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your evening update.
Hey there, Fred Gossage here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center on this Tuesday evening with your latest forecast update. I'm behind the scenes this afternoon dealing with a little back trouble. You know how it is. Once you hit 40 years old, the check engine light comes on. Everything's otherwise just fine. So we'll go ahead with the forecast here. Partly cloudy skies across the Tennessee Valley on your Tuesday, where you did not see rain this afternoon, upper 80s, lower 90s. But a few folks in southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama got a few showers, even a rumble of thunder, and some more scattered activity possible as we head through the next few days. Got up to 84 degrees in Lawrenceburg at the airport today before rain moved in. Then it's since dropped into the 70s. Morning low of 61. Now at the airport officially, no rainfall before this got updated. However, there have been showers near the airport, maybe just north of there, and some heavy rain across the east, central, and the north part of town. So parts of Lawrenceburg have gotten a good soaking, even if it just missed the airport. Shoals Almanac, this is for the Northwest Alabama Regional Airport, got to 91 this afternoon after a morning low of 67. No rain officially at the airport before the Almanac stats were taken. But again, other parts of Northwest Alabama, scattered in nature, have seen some showers and thunderstorms, and a few more hanging on into the evening hours before things quiet down here as we head into the overnight. Here's Futurecast showing a few more showers, maybe a rumble of thunder between now and midnight. That shifts northwest and fades away with the loss of daytime heating. Mostly cloudy as we head through the early morning hours toward Wednesday morning, starting the day in the upper 60s, lower 70s for most of us. And then a few peaks of sunshine, but mostly cloudy for our Wednesday. Daytime highs toward the mid 80s or so. A few isolated showers. Can't completely rule out a rumble of thunder during the afternoon. No widespread heavy rainfall expected for our Wednesday. Then a few showers into Wednesday evening and overnight. Can't be ruled out, but it doesn't look like any widespread heavy rain. A few additional showers possible Thursday and a Thursday night. But this Thursday-Friday system, with its Gulf disturbance, has trended southward with the heaviest rain looking to stay south of the I-20 corridor in Mississippi and Alabama now. So we may see a few decent showers Thursday night into Friday, but we've had to lower the rain chances as it looks like this Gulf low here kind of keeps the heavier rain south of our area. And then the cold front moves in as we head into Friday afternoon, Friday night. That gives us drier air for the weekend and also pleasant temperatures. Check this out here. The main change will be for the overnight lows because most of us are already going to be in the low to mid 80s for the next few days. But Sunday, many of us staying in the upper 70s for daytime highs. But check out the weekend overnight lows here. Saturday night and Sunday night, we're well down into the low to mid 50s across the area. And we may have to trend a degree or two lower with this. So definitely a big taste of fall here as we head into the weekend in the first part of next week. We're watching the tropics as we always do. We are very close to the statistical peak of the Atlantic hurricane season. That happens September 10th, so just a few days away. We have a few disturbances out in the Atlantic that we're watching. The one moving through the Caribbean National Hurricane Center, lowering the chances of developing into a tropical storm down to 30% as it approaches the Yucatan and then moves into the Bay of Campeche in the southwest Gulf through the late week and the weekend. Not seeing any overly threatening signs in the latest model data for the northern Gulf Coast for at least the next 7 days from this. But we'll watch it carefully. That frontal boundary may try to pull some of that tropical moisture northward into at least parts of the southeast. That may stay a bit south of us, but we'll watch to see how that goes. Couple more tropical disturbances that have a low probability of development out in the Atlantic. Not a big chance of those developing into major systems. If they do develop, they are likely to recurve out into the open Atlantic. But this time of year, we watch everything very carefully. Mostly cloudy through the evening and overnight. Any showers from the afternoon, ending before midnight, and then dropping down into the upper 60s to lower 70s for morning lows toward daybreak. Mostly cloudy skies and a few showers possible Wednesday and Thursday. A better chance of a few showers on Friday as the system passes just to the south of us. Clearing and a little cooler for the weekend, especially overnight temperatures cooler, well down into the 50s for the weekend, and clearing skies here from the weekend into early next week. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock for a final check of your local weather.